हेलो वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम लोग लिविंग वर्ड की 25 क्वेश्चंस करेंगे जो आपको नीट में भी काम आएंगे और सभी बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम्स में काम आएंगे। तो आप इन सभी क्वेश्चंस को लर्न कर लीजिएगा, एकदम ध्यान से देखिएगा वीडियो, तो आपको सभी क्वेश्चंस लर्न हो जाएंगे। और मैंने अपनी लास्ट वीडियो में एक क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ था, उसका आंसर मैं इस वीडियो के लास्ट में आप सबको बताऊँगी। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं वीडियो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हु इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द डार्विन ऑफ द 20th सेंचुरी? ऑप्शन ए लामार्क, बी अर्नस्ट मायर, सी कैरोलस लिनियस या डी रॉबर्ट मे। तो इसका राइट आंसर है बी अर्नस्ट मायर। अर्नस्ट मायर इसका राइट आंसर है। Question 2. The number of species that are known and described range between dash. Fill in the blanks with the correct option from the following. Option A 1.4 to 1.5 million, B 1.6 to 1.7 million, C 1.7 to 1.8 million, D 1.9 to 2 million. तो इसका राइट आंसर है C 1.7 to 1.8 million. Question 3. What are the twin characteristics of growth? Option A increase in mass, B increase in number, C both A and B, D none of the above. इसका आंसर है C both A and B. Question 4. Growth in living organisms is from A outside, B inside, C both A and B, D none of the above. तो इसका राइट आंसर है B inside. Question 5. Growth cannot be taken as a defining property or feature of living organisms because Option A all living organisms do not show growth, B non-living things grow from inside, C non-living things also grow, D some living organisms do not show the process of reproduction. आंसर है C non-living things also grow. Question 6. Growth is synonymous with reproduction for which of the following organisms? Option A unicellular algae, B amoeba, C bacteria या D all of the above. आंसर है D all of the above. Question 7. Which of the following organisms multiply by fragmentation? Option A fungi, B filamentous algae, C planaria या D all of the above. आंसर है D all of the above. Question 8. Mark the correct statement from the following. Option A growth in living organisms is from inside, B plants grow but only up to a certain age, C not only living organisms grow, D all of the above. इसका आंसर है growth in living organisms is from inside. Question 9. Growth and reproduction are mutually exclusive events in which of the following? Option A plants only, B animals only, C higher animals and plants, D lower organisms. आंसर है C higher animals and plants. Question 10. Reproduction cannot be an all-inclusive defining characteristics feature of living organisms because Option A living organisms do not show growth, B many living organisms do not reproduce, C non-living objects are also capable of reproducing, D all living organisms show a small period of reproductive phase in their life. आंसर है बी मैनी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स डू नॉट रिप्रोड्यूस. Question 11. Living organisms show a self-replication and self-regulation. B. Evolution. C. Response to external stimuli. D. All of the above. इसका राइट आंसर है डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. Question 12. The sum total of all the chemical reactions occurring in the body is known as. Option A metabolism, B catabolism, C anabolism या D homeostasis. आंसर है A मेटाबॉलिज्म. Question 13. Properties of organs are. Option A present in the constituent cells, B due to different cells in them, C due to their similar origin या D a result of interaction among the constituent issues. आंसर है D a result of interaction among the constituent issues. Question 14. Growth by cell division occurs dash in plants and dash in animals. Option A continuously only up to a certain age, B only up to a certain age continuously, C continuously, continuously, D never continuously. Right answer है A continuously only up to a certain age. Question 15. Which set of the following organisms multiply by fragmentation? A. Planaria, Hydra, yeast. B. Echinoderms, fungi, bacteria. C. Fungi, filamentous algae, protonema of mosses या D. Amoeba, Hydra, virus. तो इसका राइट आंसर है C. Fungi, filamentous algae, protonema of mosses. Question 16. Which of the following organisms do not reproduce? Option A mules, B sterile worker bees, C sterile human couple या D all of the above. तो इसका राइट आंसर है D all of the above. Question 17. Which of the following aspects is an exclusive characteristics of living organisms? Option A isolated metabolic reactions occur in vitro, B increase in mass is from inside only, या C increase in mass by accumulation of material both on surface as well as internally, या D perception of events happening around their environment and their memory. तो इसका राइट आंसर है B increase in mass is from inside only. Question 18. Which of the following is self-conscious? Option A human being, option B salamander, C cat या D housefly. तो इसका राइट आंसर है A human being. Question 19. Metabolic reactions take place. Option A in vitro, B in vivo, C both A and B या D none of the above. उसका राइट आंसर है C both A and B. Question 20. Which of the following organisms can sense and respond to environmental cues? Option A eukaryotes only, B prokaryotes only, C both A and B या D none of the above. इसका राइट आंसर है C both A and B. Question 21. Growth, development and functioning of a living organisms is due to. Option A an increase in Gibbs free energy, B a decrease in entropy, C metabolism, C D adaptation. इसका राइट आंसर है C metabolism. Question 22. Living organisms can be exceptionally differentiated from non-living things on the basis of which of the following abilities? ऑप्शन ए रिप्रोडक्शन एंड एक्सक्रीशन, बी ग्रोथ एंड मूवमेंट, सी रिस्पॉन्सिवनेस इन टच एंड टेम्परेचर, डी इंटरैक्शन विद द एनवायरनमेंट एंड प्रोग्रेसिव इवोल्यूशन। इसका राइट आंसर है डी इंटरैक्शन विद द एनवायरनमेंट एंड प्रोग्रेसिव इवोल्यूशन। Question 23. What are the two components of binomial nomenclature? A. The generic name, B. Specific epithet, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Right answer है C. Both A and B. Question 24. In Mangifera indica lin, what does lin stand for? Option A Latin, B Lamarck, C Linnaeus, D lower organism. राइट आंसर है C Linnaeus. Question 25. Alsatian is a breed of option A dog, B cat, C donkey, या D horse. आंसर है ए डॉग। ये क्वेश्चन मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में दिया था। क्वेश्चन है डाइजेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन स्टार्ट इन द ऑप्शन ए डिओडेनम, बी इंटेस्टाइन, सी माउथ, या डी स्टमक। तो इसका राइट आंसर है डी स्टमक। स्टमक इज़ द राइट आंसर। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करें और ये सभी क्वेश्चंस को अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करें, और ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस और पढ़ने के लिए हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, और हम कोशिश करेंगे कि आपके लिए और अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चंस ला सकें।